Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC37C. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC37C is making a funny noise, it could be due to a blockage or a worn-out part. This noise often indicates that something is not functioning as it should, and if left unchecked, it could lead to more serious damage or even complete failure of the vacuum. So, it's essential to address the issue promptly to ensure your device continues to perform efficiently. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement part, and a soft cloth to clean any debris. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged before you start working on it. Begin by removing the dust container by pressing the release button and lifting it away. Next, locate the screws that hold the main body together. These are typically found at the back and sides. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing, being cautious not to force it. Inside, you should be able to see the motor and other components. Listen closely for the source of the noise. It is often caused by a faulty motor or an obstruction in the air path. If you find that the motor has become loose or damaged, it will need to be replaced. To do this, disconnect the motor by carefully unplugging the wires connecting it to the main circuit board. Take note of how these are connected, as you will need to replicate this when you install the new motor. If you feel at any point that things are getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, once the old motor is out, you can insert the new one, making sure it fits snugly in place. Reconnect the wires exactly as they were before. After that, check for any blockages in the air path. Use your soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. With everything in place, carefully reassemble the casing, ensuring that all edges align properly. Replace the screws, tightening them securely but not overly so, to avoid stripping the holes. Once you have reassembled the Dyson, plug it back in and turn it on to test if the noise has been resolved. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations! You have successfully repaired your Dyson DC37C. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean your vacuum, empty the dust container often, and check for blockages. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.